Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have some seafood, we have some lobster claws, some corn, we have some egg, we have some rice, we have some sauce, we have some green lip mussels. And we're gonna dig in, guys. My spoon.
Thank you very much. How you doing, family? Thank you very much.
We are hungry. So this is the butter sauce right here. This is not my recipe. I got it from off the internet and then I added some different stuff to it. So, but it is good. Ooh. How you guys been? I'm gonna get it right out the way before I forget.
Active.
This is the green lip mussel.
No talking Richie in the building today.
Okay. I don't know if you guys noticed in the last video, but you probably can see some blonde hair on the side. I have dyed my hair blonde, y'all.
Oh, wow.
Okay, but I'm gonna wait for a couple of days to go ahead and get a haircut.
I'm gonna hook her up.
And then I will show my husband gonna hook me up, like find a style for me. Wow!
Oh, I'm sorry. Damn,
What are you doing over there, Tom?
I'm gonna burn your one and see the effect.
What the? You make it butter for my birthday?
I'm not gonna do that.
And then I will show you guys how it looks after I get a cut.
You tell them we got rice too?
Everything, man.
Okay.
You're so busy eating.
No. I didn't say our anthem. Let's start eating. I said that?
Yeah,
Alright, start eating already.
You said that. I know you guys are like, wow, 2 videos in a row? We told you guys, we're back on it.
We gotta be on it.
I'm not gonna lie, we was tempted. We almost we almost said, man, then we said no.
No, we can't do that. We
Can't do that.
We gotta get on it.
Gotta get on the grind. It's about that time. We had a good break, so it's time to drop the videos in for you guys. Cause you gotta get us to 5,000, right?
Don't forget to subscribe. You gonna say that? No way.
Yes, wait.
Wow. Don't forget to subscribe, you know? I know sometimes you forget. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Don't forget, please. If you're new. I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. Oh. Subscribe, y'all.
Ooh. Let's see how these come out.
I ain't gonna come out good, Mario.
I got these from, oh my God.
This is frozen corn?
Yeah. Yo, man, you said something business, man. Oh.
Right, you see that?
What the hell?
You see that? Every time when she said frozen corn, but I can't say it now. That's not fair.
What we do? What the fuck, Lord?
That's not fair, Tom.
All right.
Why you do me like that? You embarrass me. Family, look.
Oh!
You alright?
I'm not talking everywhere, man.
I love mussels. Yes.
Oh, it's good.
Everything is good. You have to see, right?
That's real good.
Everything's on point as always. Yep, we got rice with it. We greedy. Shout out for everybody that been rocking with. I haven't seen the sausage, no? You put the sausage on this, I'm hiding.
Nice and dark.
Dark and lovely. Thank you for rocking with us, you know?
Who's that, remember, right?
Appreciate y'all. I'm saying? Wow. Wow. I don't have the beard again today. I couldn't find it.
You guys think we should start doing pranks? Not on this channel though. Another channel.
Comment down.
Because
Our vlog.
right. How you say the one, Richie? You can't take a prank, you know?
Hey.
You get serious fast.
Yeah. Man, no fucking prank, man.
Can't do a prank.
Can we tell boys something? Mom. I said, mommy. I can't do a prank because I'm always naked. I'm always naked.
Always in his
She
boxers.
can't catch me like that because she don't know. You know what I'm saying? Unless you gonna put me up naked or anything.
That could be a lot of editing.
A lot of editing. No cap, family. But yeah. You know what I'm saying? Prank or vlog. You okay?
She's a good man.
It's good.
How about you?
Good as always. Oh yeah. I don't know when it's gonna reach out, but happy Valentine's Day to all the ladies out there. Okay, hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day.
Ooh. And you don't need no man to have a good Valentine's
That's true.
Day.
You don't. Cause that's your way. Enjoy it. You know? Yeah. Enjoy it, ladies. You know what I'm saying?
You can go out with your girls. You know, and chill out.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Good? I see you going crazy over here. We love this camera, family. Wow.
For me, I wanted something different. You know, my hair is short now. So I can try different, you know, colors, styles.
Yeah. Now, family,
So I'm excited about that.
I'm used to it now. You know what I'm saying? I have to get used to it.
Nothing wrong with that, honey.
Tissue. Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that at all.
Yo, that sauce is good with this, yo.
Buster.
Don't say that.
Byron. No.
Don't say that. The daughter said, don't say it.
She said, you don't say it.
You don't say
I'm young.
You're young.
I'm young, having fun. I got these claws from Costco. Yep. And you know, cause you know,
Hey.
we don't have a Chinatown here where we can go and get fresh seafood, but this is as close as it gets, and it's pretty good.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's pre-cooked for you already as well, you know?
I love it.
Wow.
No, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm taking for a birthday. Y'all stop. Y'all gonna see it. Come on now.
It's coming up.
I'm not gonna tell you.
I wanted to get it out like that.
You think I should make them comment down and take a guess?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea, my love.
Comment down and tell me what you think I'm taking first date for a birthday. Okay?
What if somebody guess right?
If the person gets it right, y'all getting that good shout out. As a matter of fact, I'm going live and calling their name on live.
Wow.
So if y'all guess right, I'm going live and I'm gonna shout you out on live. So let's see the guesses. Tell me what you think. Okay?
If you guys have been paying attention, but then again, I don't know where he's taking me. So, but you guys know where I don't want to go.
Let me see. Is they gonna guess right?
You think they're gonna guess right? I hope you do guess, because if you guess right, then he has to tell me. Because up to now he didn't tell me.
Let me see how good they are.
Yeah, they're good though.
Yeah, getting that good shout out. See?
You gotta have napkins. There's no way.
Have to. That's a must. It's a big fact. But this is good though. Wow. I have good teeth for them in my I have good teeth for them. You get that though?
But it's like pre-cut too.
It is.
Awesome.
It is pre-cut. You okay over there?
I'm okay.
You need my assistance? Okay.
Thank you though. Or the frozen corn. You have to put me in a spot.
Frozen car is good, it's busting. Family member said it's okay, don't worry about it. They do the same thing.
Sure, I love frozen corn because it's always sweet. Ow!
I was just about to say that. It's mad sweet.
Always sweet.
You heard?
Even though I know it's an imitation corn, you know.
I'm glad you want to
I'm sorry. Oh, you got in your eye?
Alright. Want me to for you? I eat my food,
You
man.
look cute, man.
I always cute, man. Wow.
It went everywhere.
I love eggs. You getting it on my beard?
Listen, you can chat enough.
Get it on my beard? I know.
love it.
I figured that.
Man.
I said I wasn't gonna talk, but just eat, right? I can't go without eat.
I'm talking.
I gotta talk to the family members. I can't eat my food without talking to
Richie said, I'm not talking today.
them.
I'm hungry. You're on your own. I'm like, you're right. Beer chatting. Beer chatting.
Yeah, check my shot, Mario. They can't see it, Mario. You have to push it far, you know? We have a new camera now, no? We up it now, we got a new camera. Yeah, we don't have to push it so close like the phone. It's good.
Ooh.
I wanted this so bad. Frozen corn can go on, you know?
Is this frozen corn? I said, damn, Daniel.
Who put fresh corn in their seafood?
A lot of people do. But I only do it when it's in season, because when it's not in season, it doesn't taste
That's what I'm
good.
saying. Wow.
You know what I want to try, Tom?
Yeah.
One of those big ass king crab.
Got you.
Those are expensive. They're like $300 for one.
Anything for you. As long as it's going better, you know when I don't play. When it's food, I swipe. You know I eat.
But you don't care how much the food is. You're gonna buy it because it's food.
Yeah, right. You wrong me for that, family? Come on now. Food, I'll better food.
Corn is good though. Did you tell me that you didn't want no rice?
I never said that. I said, you're not giving me the rice. They give me a look with the rice. I told you that? You know rice is my favorite. I told you that? I did.
You just said, I don't want your rice. Actually, I'm gonna give you rice anyway. Cause I know Richie. See?
I didn't want the rice for you. Family. If I could eat the shell, I'd eat the shell. The seasoned so good. Yeah, your shell is. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
You guys saw the Super Bowl Sunday? I know it's a couple of days ago, but Mary J. Blige, she did her thing.
Wow.
She did her thing. Alright, get the meat out of here. I was saving these. I'm not throwing these out. I'm getting the meat out of here, honey. There's meat in here.
Damn, boy, you gotta have some good tea for these shits. Alright, we have to talk too much. I'll take you the food on my yacht. And consume now. For consume and eat. Why, panda? Let me consume my food for now.
Do you guys remember when my birthday is? I don't think they remember.
Comment down.
Do you guys remember? It's in February, yes, but what date? Excuse me.
And Nancy Gray, I remember that comment first that they told me about that comment when she was in pain. I remember that comment, okay? I think they remember your birthday.
You think so?
Let me see the family member pay attention. Next trivia, if you reach as far, what day is first day of your birthday? Let's see what's going on. Yep. Yeah. When you get it, you're gonna get a shout out. Yeah, I said it.
I'm here. I don't think so much mess.
You're gonna get that shout out, man.
I haven't done this in a while. I'm a rookie at it now.
One thing, seafood. Seafood get messy.
Very messy.
Come, I told you I want more rice and then you give it up enough.
I'm full. I want no more rice.
Put the rice and pull it up. You don't want any of that? No.
You like those?
Yeah, I like my muscle now, you. Must have cut my gum.
Just now? Right, this one? The one you just ate? That one? Oh.
I like the seasoning on me.
I gotta make sure because you just ate that one. Ooh, yes, Lord.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Wow. It's a cracking for me. I have somebody want my shit, they're maxing out the money. Hold on.
I'm going to, this is gonna be on my head. Can you guys see my hair? You guys can see it a little bit. You guys can see it, right? I know you guys can. It's gonna be on my head for the rest of the week until this week and next week. When am I gonna cut my hair?
I don't know, man.
I'm gonna cut my hair soon, but it's a good crab pot. King, what name? Lobster? I think I'm gonna do some touch-up, so I'm gonna wait a while before I do some touch-up. You know, when you bleach your hair or dye your hair, whatever, you can't do it too much. It'll damage your hair. So I'm gonna give it a break because it's at the color that I like, but I'm just gonna touch it up. You understand?
Ooh.
Has anyone bleached their hair or changed their hair color? Let me know. And I didn't use the box kind like they sell at Walmart. I went to Sally's and I got the
upgrade things.
Well, upgrade my things money. Yeah. So I am like,
First lady went to Sally's, B. No cap. Wow. Can't get another one in my own.
Yeah.
I'm gonna rub it to the fuck. That meat is in here? Huh?
No.
Wow, so that's right here. Family, I almost broke my teeth on that shit. I thought meat was in there. Huh?
I saw you do this.
Yeah. I just
And it got stuck.
Uh-huh. Ooh, up here too. Strong tongue. Yeah, but I see why they crack it.
Yeah, it's already cracked. And why would you put that piece in there, sugar? Wow.
MSR, Kyle?
ASMR. Stop saying stuff and you saying this shit the wrong way.
Shh, listen. Shh. Nah, she wouldn't want me to drop. Ooh. Come on, give me one. Give me one. Come on, give me good.
A lot of people don't eat this part.
Why?
I don't know.
It's not meat?
Many of it.
Watch me eat it. Family, watch me eat it then. No boy, nice one. I'm going to boy. I know. You know what I want? I know one was in the time.
I can sit here and watch him eat all day. Sometimes I just sit there and watch him.
Yep. Don't watch me near my food. No, eat your food, my you.
You want this one?
Eu mais dentro de que não? What? I think strong man. Them kind of strong teeth they have. Come do it.
What that mouth do though? That was that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Wow, family. Last piece, and I'm gonna give you the word. You know, this was delicious. Yeah, yes, you could tell, right? Cause I tore it up. One big gulp. AMSR. All right, family. That was delicious as always.
It was very good.
Put a massage later, Mario. Don't you know sausage?
Come here, you don't forget my fish.
Don't you know sausage, Mario? You have to eat sausage, Mario. All right, family. You know, it come to that good time now. Well, we gotta say bye, you know. But you know how it is already. We appreciate y'all again as always. You know that. The family members, the viewers, you know. Everybody that's viewing on that side too. But anyways, I got something for y'all today.
What you got for them?
I got something beautiful for them today.
A beautiful word of the word.
The sign of beautiful person is that they always see beauty in others.
That's right.
That's right. So if you're new, again, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.